Welcome, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. My name is Jyoti Kokate. Today we are going to learn subject mathematics from standard 3rd. Topic for the day is measurement of time and subtopic is whole hour part 1. Children, now look at the clock. The flat surface of the clock is called its face. So, here you can see the clock's face. Children, what do you see here? Yes, you can see here the picture of a clock. And the clock has two hands. One hand is short and the other hand is long. The short hand is called the hour hand. It shows the hours. The long hand is also called as minute hand. It shows the minutes. Children, look at the clock. There are 60 small markings around the face of the clock, and each mark shows the minute. The minute hand moves from one mark to the next in 1 minute. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. Children, always remember 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Children, now we will learn in detail about the minutes. Look at the clocks. The minute hand takes 5 minutes to move from one number to the next on the clock. Look at the first clock. The minute hand is on 1, means 5 minutes. Now look at the second clock. When the minute hand is on 2, it means 10 minutes. Now see the third clock. The minute hand is on 3. It means 15 minutes. And the fourth clock shows the 20 minutes. As you can see, the minute hand is on 4. Children, did you notice when the number is multiplies by 5, we get the minutes. For example, 5 ones are 5 minutes. 5 twos are 10 minutes. 5 threes are 15 minutes. 5 fours are 20 minutes. 5 fives are 25 minutes. 5 sixes are 30 minutes. 5 sevens are 35 minutes. 5 eights are 40 minutes. 5 nines are 45 minutes. 5 tens are 50 minutes. 5 elevens are 55 minutes. And 5 twelves are 60 minutes. So remember the table of 5 to find out the minutes. Children, look at the clock and tell me, what do you see on the clock face? Yes, there are 12 numbers on the clock face. Children, let's begin with the whole hour. In this clock, the hour hand means the short hand is pointing to number 12 and the long hand means the minute hand is also pointing to number 12. So, the time is 12 o'clock. We read it as 12 o'clock. we write it as 12 colon 0 0 or as 12 o'clock. Children, in this clock, the hour hand is on the number 1 and the minute hand is on the number 12. This means the time is 1 o'clock. We read it as 1 o'clock. We write it as 1 colon 0 0 or as 1 o'clock. Children, can you tell me what time is it in the clock? Yes, the hour hand means shorthand is on 2 and the minute hand means longhand is on number 12. This means the time is 2 o'clock. We read it as 2 o'clock. We write it as 2 colon 0 0 or as 2 o'clock. Now let's find out what time is it in this clock. Look, the hour hand is on 3 and the minute hand is on 12. This means the time is 3 o'clock. We read it as 3 o'clock. We write it as 3 colon 0 0 or as 3 o'clock. Let's do it once again. In this clock, the hour hand is on 4 and the minute hand is on 12. So, the time is 4 o'clock. We read it as 4 o'clock. We write it as 4 colon 0 0 or as 4 o'clock. Children, can you see in this clock the hour hand is on 5 and the minute hand is on 12. So, the time is 5 o'clock. We read it as 5 o'clock. We write it as 5 colon 0 0 or as 5 o'clock. Children, can you tell me what time is it in this clock? Yes, in this clock, the hour hand means shorthand is on 6 and the minute hand means longhand is on 12. So, the time is 6 o'clock. We read it as 6 o'clock. We write it as 6 colon 0 0 or as 6 o'clock. Children, now let's find out what time is it in this clock. Look, the hour hand is on 7 and the minute hand is on 12. Means the time is 7 o'clock. We read it as 7 o'clock. We write it as 7 colon 0 0 or as 7 o'clock. Children, now let us understand what time is it in this clock. You can see here the hour hand is on 8 and the minute hand is on 12. This means the time is 8 o'clock in the clock and we read it as 8 o'clock. We write it as 8 colon 0 0 or as 8 o'clock. Children, now look at this clock. When the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 9, this means the time is 9 o'clock. We read it as 9 o'clock. We write it as 9 colon 0 0 or as 9 o'clock. Children, let's find out what time is it in this clock. In this clock, the hour hand means shorthand is on the number 10 and the minute hand means longhand is on the number 12. This means time is 10 o'clock. We read it as 10 o'clock. We write it as 10 colon 0 0 or as 10 o'clock. Children, can you tell me what time is it? Yes, the hour hand is on 11 and the minute hand is on 12. This means the time is 11 o'clock. We read it as 11 o'clock. We write it as 11 colon 0 0 or as 11 o'clock. Children, now it's time for the exercise and let me check how much you have understood from the lesson. Read the given time and draw the hands of the clock below to show that time. Children, here you can see 4 clocks without hands and the timing is given in the box. So, you have to see the time and you have to draw hands on the clock. Children, now it's the homework time and you will be doing this homework in your notebook. Write down the time that each clock is showing. I hope you all have understood the lesson. Thank you children for watching this video.